Which laser level is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Rockseed Laser Measure. First up, we have the Rockseed Laser Measure 50M priced at just $20.23. What caught my attention was its high accuracy and ease of use. If you want precise measurements without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. That means whether you're measuring a room or a piece of furniture, you'll get reliable results every time. Plus, the large backlit screen is super helpful in low-light areas, making it easier for you to see your measurements clearly. And with over 3,000 sold just last month, it seems like a lot of people are loving it. Now, some people have complained about the durability of the plastic material, saying it feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, if you're using it as a lightweight tool at home or for occasional projects, it should hold up just fine. Just don't expect it to survive a drop from a construction site. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who needs to do occasional measurements around the house. Skip this one if you're a heavy-duty professional contractor who needs top-tier equipment daily. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the durability of the Rockseed Laser Measure worried you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Rockseed Cross-Line Laser. Next, we're looking at the Rockseed Cross-Line Laser, available for $21.49. What grabbed my attention here was the self-leveling feature. If you want a laser level that makes aligning things super easy, this is worth considering. This laser level can self-level within a range of 4 degrees plus 1 degrees, which is fantastic for ensuring your lines are always accurate. It projects a bright cross line at a wide 110 degrees angle, making it perfect for tasks like hanging pictures or laying tiles. With an accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 inch at 30 feet, it's more than adequate for most home projects. Plus, with a rating of IP54, it can withstand dust and water, which is really important if you're using it in various settings. However, I did find that some users mentioned the battery life isn't the best. But here's the thing, if you're using this for short projects, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just keep a spare set of AA batteries handy. This is a great pick for home improvement DIYers who want something reliable and easy to use. Skip this if you need something heavy-duty for professional construction. Overall, it offers fantastic value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for convenience. Product number 3, WIDDW Laser Level with Tripod. Coming in at $37.96 is the WIDDW Laser Level with Tripod. The first thing that stood out to me was the included tripod and L-shaped magnetic bracket. If you're looking for convenience and stability, this one's definitely worth a look. Equipped with a powerful 1200 mAh lithium battery, this laser level can stay powered on for up to 10 hours. It automatically levels itself, and if it can't, it gives you a warning, making it user-friendly for anyone, even if you're a beginner. It's designed for indoor use with optimal projection distances between 0 and 10 meters, which is perfect for most home renovations. But some users have mentioned that the diagonal mode can be a bit tricky to figure out. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it can be a real lifesaver for versatile projects. This is perfect for anyone looking to do some serious home renovations or picture hanging. Skip this if you're only doing the occasional home improvement job, as it might be more than you need. For what you get, it's a solid deal. If the complexity of the last one was a concern, the next product simplifies things even more. Product number 4, WIDDW Green Cross-Line Laser. Next up is the WIDDW Green Cross-Line Laser, priced at a low $16.44. What caught my eye was its impressive battery life and compact design. If portability is key for you, this should be on your radar. The laser level features a rechargeable 1200 mAh battery, offering a standby time of up to 12 hours. It's designed to be lightweight and easy to carry, making it a breeze to use in tight spots or when you're moving around the house. The green beam is bright and offers excellent visibility, which is a huge plus in well-lit environments. However, some users found the setup a bit finicky, especially if they're not tech-savvy. But honestly, once you get used to it, it's straightforward and effective for everyday tasks. This is perfect for casual users who want a reliable tool for home projects. Skip this if you're a professional who needs a more robust system, as it's more suited for light use. It's a great value for the price. Now, if you want something with extra features, the next product could be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, KOXOBT Laser Level with Tripod. Last but not least, we have the KOXOBT Laser Level with Tripod, priced at $39.21. The thing that really stood out to me was its versatility and build quality. If you want something that can handle both indoor and outdoor projects, this is definitely worth a look. The dual modes allow you to switch between self-leveling and manual, giving you flexibility depending on your task. Plus, it comes with a sturdy tripod that can extend from 9 to 25.6 inches, making it easy to adjust to your needs. The IP54 rating ensures it can withstand dust and moisture, so you can use it in different environments without worry. However, some users noted that it requires initial calibration, which can be a bit of a hassle. But honestly, once you get past that, it's a reliable tool that really shines during use. This is perfect for anyone tackling both simple home projects and more extensive renovations. Skip this if you're just looking for a basic tool for light use. For the price, it delivers excellent performance and features. So to quickly wrap it all up, we have Rockseed's budget-friendly options that are great for casual users, WIDDW's versatile tools that cater to home renovations, and KOXOBT's robust feature set for those looking to invest a bit more. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to what you need for your projects. Product number 6, Best Pick. In summary, we've looked at 5 great laser levels under $100. Whether you're a casual DIYer or someone tackling serious renovations, there's something here that fits your needs. Just remember, the best choice depends on how you plan to use it.